My name's Ita, I'm 56. I come from East Sussex and I have a cafe on the beach at Pet Level. I went to Guestling, bought a barn to retire. Well, that didn't happen. It's stressful, and that's why you need to come to places like Team Boot Camp, because you need to get away from your... I mean, I don't come to Team Boot Camp just for the exercise, even though that's pretty mind-blowing. I come for just time for me and to... even though you don't get a lot of this place is busy, isn't it? You know, there's lots going on. I've done 5 or 6 different camps before, and there's a lot sitting around doing nothing sort of thing, and you wonder where that time could be used more beneficially. Here, they cram in everything. Mindfulness, meditation, yoga, you know, they just cram it all in because they want you to get the full you know, the full program for the week, which has totally blown me away again. So I come away every now and then, but of all the boot camps I've been to about 5, maybe 5 or 6, and I've gone regularly back to all of them, and then thought, this is not doing it. This is different. This boot camp is different. It gives you so much more than just exercise. And it's really hard to explain. It gives you a sense of well-being, a sense of community, a sense of that you're not just a number. If I rang up in a month's time and said, "Hi Paula, it's Ita," Paula would go, "Hi Ita, how are you?" I took over this cafe a year ago, and it's really been busy. I didn't expect it to be quite so busy, and it's consumed my life a little bit. So my exercise and nutrition has definitely gone downhill. You know, I make cakes all the time, I have pasties, and you know, I don't have time to cook or make time for myself. And I was getting really, really stressed out at the smallest things, you know, and it was affecting my relationship with my husband, it was affecting my relationship with my daughter, it was affecting my relationship with my friends. It was just all consuming. And I think what I was doing is I was trying to get a little bit of me time by working, if that makes sense. Because when I'm baking, it's a bit of me time. It's kind of, I'm in the kitchen with my stuff, but it wasn't doing anyone any good. It wasn't doing me any good, that's for sure. Not because I was eating the cakes, just because I felt that I'd lost myself along the way. So this is when you have to think, right, I need to go back. I need to do a boot camp. I need to revalue me. I need to be in bed by 8. I need to eat really healthy. I need to, you know, reconnect. And that's why I come back to boot camp. But coming back here, wow, it's completely blown me away, to be fair. And I'm a little bit shocked and a little bit, I'm walking around a little bit in awe. It's a very special house. It's got something that nowhere else has got. And if you're privileged to come to Team Boot Camp, it was something you won't ever forget. And you won't go home and just go back to the same routines. It will change your soul just a little bit. It's beautiful surroundings, gorgeous walks. There's dogs around, there's animals around. You know, you go out and you meet goats and you see horses and ducks and whatever. You know, you're right in nature here. You know, you can't get away from nature. And I mean, I stayed in the house, upstairs in the house, which was absolutely lovely, beautiful beds, which were really warm, comfy. But you could stay out in the pods, and I think maybe next time when I come, I would want to go and stay outside because I'd want to be even more in nature. I've never really said before, the next time I come. I've always sort of gone away thinking, well, hopefully I won't need to go back. But with Team Boot Camp, it's hopefully I will get back because I want to go and do that again. I want to experience that again. The people here are unbelievable. The trainers, oh my God, they have so much passion. It's weird because when you first meet Jack, he's so sort of military, you know, with his combat gear on and khaki, and you think, oh God, we're really in for it here, you know, Christ. But actually, he's got such a gorgeous heart and spirit, and I wasn't expecting that at all. He's got this lovely hard shell. Of course, he must have a bit of a hard shell because, you know, his job is to torture us. No joking. But he's very, very kind. He's very kind, and he does care about everybody. He does. He still talks to you as much as he talks to everyone else. And you find with other boot camps, the trainers have a favourite. They get favourites, 2 or 3 favourites, and they stick with the favourites. But here it's not really like that. There's no real favourites. Everybody's in it together, and everybody has enough time with their trainer. I mean, Charlotte's just been, again, when I first saw Charlotte, you know, I thought, oh God, this is gonna, you know, she's really hard. It's going to be, but she is the sweetest lady, and she's got so much time for you. Do you know what I mean? She just wants to help you, you know, and help herself, because again, we're all going through a journey. You know, no one gets it. No one gets through this life without some sort of ups and downs. We're all going through it, you know, and everyone in this team boot camp is real. There is no BS here. There is no trying to be better than anyone else. There is no trying to, there's no competition. There's no, you know, healthy competition, of course, but that's fine. There's no sense of that one did more than me, or that one got more. It's not like that here. It is so real. Anyone that comes here will love it, and if they don't, well, same one with them. It's a friendly, fun place. You know, don't be worried about anything. Take every day as it comes. Of course you're going to exercise, but don't enjoy the exercise. Do you know what I mean? Just don't. Everyone is different. We all know we're different, and everyone has different, you know, levels of where we can go to in the exercise. But just take it on the chin and just get on with it. Just don't moan about it and complain about it. Just get on with it. Do the work, you know, because the benefits are so. The benefits, the endorphin rush, the food. Oh my God, the food. Oh my God, it's so good here. The best food. And it's lovely to get through things with a group of people that, you know, are like-minded, because everyone that comes on these is a like-minded person. They want to benefit themselves, they want to achieve something, but they're just normal people. So don't worry about who you're going to meet, don't worry about what's going to happen, because most people come on their own. Yeah, there's always someone to chat to. You don't need to do it this place. This place is heaven, absolute heaven. You get a change in here that you know you'll take on. So, I mean, it's just amazing. The place is just incredible. You know, you need to come here, you need to experience it, and be open. Yeah. If they say they're going to be in mindfulness, or we're going to do some yoga, or what, it might not be your thing, because we're all different. But just go with it. Just go with it, yeah? Just enjoy the moment. I can't stress how much this place is just, it's a joy to be here. It's a joy to be here, really is.